Students, in previous video we have done till A.1. Now we will see A.2. People you meet have different traits. Traits means behavior, characteristics, some desirable and other undesirables. Means we find some behaviors that we appreciate it and we want them in people, but others are undesirable. Undesirable are those traits that we don't like. Okay, read some of the traits given below and tick the ones you have heard of. What you have to do, you have to tick the traits that you have heard of. Look up a dictionary to find the meaning of the other words, but here you don't need to see the dictionary. I will explain each and every words, and students, please learn all this. And you haven't to learn the meaning, you have to learn the use of these words. This is a specialty of English reader book, that if you read it properly, it will enhance your reading skills, writing skills and understanding skills. Okay, so now we will see the traits one by one. First one is argumentative. Argumentative is that traits that nobody likes in any person. Okay, it has been explained in our next page. We'll see. Okay, see. Now write the words whose meanings are given below. Also list them as desirable or undesirable. Means at first you have to write one word for these words, and then you have to write whether these traits are desirable or undesirable. One who shows politeness or honor to someone or something. So what do we call such types of persons? One who shows politeness or honor to someone or something, then such person are called respectful. Okay, so for this word you will write respectful. So respectful is that type of trait that every people appreciate of. One who has the intelligence to form reasoned judgments. There are some people who are wise enough to make decision properly or reasoned judgments. Such peoples are called understanding. Okay, such peoples are called understanding, and understanding is also the traits that is desirable. One who is excessively fond of raising objection. You must have seen some students, some people who are always fond of raising objections regarding this thing or that thing. So such peoples are called what? Such peoples are called argumentative. Okay. Next one who is willing to adapt. Means person, there are some people who could adjust themselves anywhere or in any situations. Such people are called adaptable. Here it has been given accommodating. Okay, such people are called accommodating. So one thing I would like to say, that you have to learn the use of the word, and you have learned the use of the word, and you have to use these words in your practical life. Okay, so that you could understand properly. Next, one who possesses an exaggerated sense of self-importance. There are some people who thinks they are the most important person. They think that they are salt of the earth. So such peoples are called what? Egotistical. Such people are called egotistical. Next one. So egotistical is a quality that no one like. One who is rough, unpleasant and often violent. Such persons are called brutish. Okay, brutish is the person who is rough, unpleasant and often violent, and we don't like such types of people. So brutish is undesirable quality. One who shows a bias. You must have seen that there are some people who just takes favor of some people without any reason, or so such people are called biased. So no one like this quality. One who is easily upset by things people say or do. We also find some people that who gets easily upset if people say something or do something. Such people are called sensitive. So I think this is not desirable quality that we would like people to have. Next one is one who complies with an order or law. So such person are called obedient, who is always ready to obey the law or rules. So here students, what you have to do, you have to write the desirable traits and undesirable traits in this. All exercises you have to do.